Now listen, I know before we get into this video, I gotta give a big shout out to Ridge, baby. Yes, Ridge, the amazing inventors of the streamlined, minimalistic, industrial wallet. Doesn't look like a wallet, does it? Yeah, I know. It took me a while too, guys. I know. A lot of you are probably just like me at first, and you're like, I don't know about that. That doesn't look like a wallet. I don't think I'm going to fit everything from my wallet in it. That's because you've got a wallet from 1975, guys. In fact, maybe 1875. Don't feel bad. I was in your shoes too. I had a big fat wallet full of a bunch of unnecessary crap in my back pocket that killed my hips and my rump when I was taking a road trip. Always having to pull that big fat. I don't even have it to compare. I don't even have that to show you anymore because I've been using the Ridge for over a year now. This is my newest favorite, the burnt titanium. They've got so many colors and options and different designs to choose from. 30,000 people have left 5-star reviews. You don't have to listen. Don't even believe me. You could just disregard me altogether. 30,000 other people said the Ridge is phenomenal. Guys, just open up your wallet. Look in it right now. What do you got in there? What do you got? You probably got receipts from 10 years ago in there. Key cards to hotel rooms, maybe, that, you know, occasionally you pop out and go, boy, I remember that. Yeah. You don't need it, man. You don't need it. Get rid of it and treat yourself to a new front pocket wallet. That's right, front pocket. It's as simple as this. Look, don't be looking down there. Look right here. Just drop it right here, man. Boom. That's it. No more pain in the rump. It's got a little cutout right here. You just push it. Look at that. Cards come right out. You can fan through whatever you need when you're done. Boom. Money clip in the back. Lifetime warranty. 45 days. Try it. Give it a test drive. If you don't like it, give it back. Get your refund, man. 45 days. Nobody's offering that. Nobody's going to offer you a lifetime warranty. You can literally buy one of these wallets. You could own it for the rest of your life. Hey, I'm not just saying this because they're today's sponsor. I'm not. I love this product. Like, I thought I could not live without my wallet because I couldn't fit all that crap into this one. And I was right. I couldn't fit all my crap in this one. And that's when I learned I didn't need all that stuff, man. You only need the basics. Why make things more complicated? Keep your driver's license, your money, the cards. It'll hold up to 12 cards. Occasionally, you may be able to squeeze one or two more in there. I don't recommend it, but I love my Ridge wallet. So if you want to pick one up, Father's Day is coming, ladies. In case there's any ladies watching this and you got a man or something. Hey, Father's Day. Men love the Ridge wallet for Father's Day. Hey, guys, drop your lady a link. Be like, hey, babe, this would be a great Father's Day present. Come on now. 10% off if you use my code. Free shipping worldwide, guys. So visit www.ridge.com/AAR. Use code AAR for your 10% off and free shipping. You can't beat it, guys. Like I said, Father's Day is right around the corner. This is what men want, ladies. Hint, hint. Give your man something he can actually use. Save his rear end from being a pain. Never mind. I was going to say, ladies, being a pain, and you could help save the pain by buying it. Yeah. Anyway, use that link down below, guys. Comments and in the description below. www.ridge.com/AAR. Let's get to this video. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we are back at the Auto Spa LLC to pick up something I've been waiting on for a while. The 2005 Mercedes S430 4Matic. Man, I'm looking at it and it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I bet you guys are like, show me. Let me take it in for a minute. I'll show you guys in just a second. She really is a gorgeous car. A few dings here and there and a few scrapes and scuffs on the wheels, but overall, I think it actually came out really nice. Are you guys ready to see it? Do you want to see it? You want to see the S430? All right, let's look at the S430. Here you go, guys. There she is. Man, it is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. Now, they did the best they could on this wheel right here. This wheel has so many scuffs on it. I don't know what happened to that wheel, but that's the way I got it, and that's the way it is. They did a great job cleaning it up, though. It looks a ton better than it did when we first picked it up. Look at this. Tell me it's not beautiful. Now we got to check the interior. The interior was, boy, the interior was pretty dirty, guys. We'll start in the back here. It was least dirty back here, but boy, oh, you should smell it, guys. It smells so good. Now they did everything they could to get some of the stains and stuff out of these doors and out of the carpet. Unfortunately, you know, you can't always expect perfection. It's not their fault. I guarantee you they did everything they could to get all of the stains out. Look at that soft closed door working. Isn't that phenomenal? It still looks 100 times better than it did when we dropped it off, guys. 100 times better. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know. We're about to take this thing on a ride and see how she does on the way back, and then I think we're going to see if this thing is ready to send off to Weird Beard and see what he thinks he could offer on it. I know it's not perfect, especially this seat being torn up like that's. It's just a shame that the seat is all cut up like that, guys. But you know, I thought about potentially fixing all of it, and is that something I really want to do? Not really. Not really, guys. It is a 207,000 mile Mercedes. Hopefully you got to see that on the dash here. 207,000 mile Mercedes. It's an old car. It still runs and drives reasonably well with cold air conditioning. All windows work, sunroof works. Look how clean this is. This used to be so sticky, like if you touched any of this, it left a sticky residue on your hands, and now it's nice and clean. Nice. Like the same thing here. You couldn't even see any of this hardly. It was all covered in some sticky, nasty grime. Same thing over here. They did a wonderful job, guys. Let's see what under the hood looks like, if I can even get under the hood, because it was covered in oil from when that power steering line broke. I'm gonna hope that we can get into it here. Let's see. There we go. Yes. There we go. We may need to clean this up some, guys. I think we can make this look good. I'm thinking I probably forgot to tell him I wanted the underhood done. I think I may have forgot. I was in a hurry. So what we'll probably do is take it to a car wash or something with some degreaser. We'll get under here and really clean all this up to make it look good. It's pretty dirty. We'll get that cleaned up, guys. And what do you think? What do you think the price should be on it? Personally, I think it should sell for $3,000, maybe $3,500 retail, depending on how it's doing now. I haven't seen this car in about a week, so I really don't remember how it ran and drove. If I remember correctly, it runs and drives great. So let's get this thing paid for. Let's get it out on the road and see how she does. All right, so we are in the S430 now, and hopefully you can see the speedometer there. Like she's cruising. We're taking her all around Oklahoma City. It's rush hour right now, so I'm not going to take it on the highway at this point. I've already had it on the highway before, and it does absolutely great. Gas mileage is honestly pretty bad. You don't buy an S-Class for fuel economy, though. But yeah, guys, look, she's driving straight. It's quiet, aside from a little bit of leather creaking here and there when I rub up against it or something. But the suspension is nice and quiet. There are no warning lights on the dash currently. That is subject to change because it is a Mercedes. It does have that SRS warning that keeps coming on. And when I researched, it looks like it's something to do with the seatbelt buckles. The parts that actually receive the seatbelt, the buckle receptacle, whatever you want to call it. Apparently it's a common issue and there's something going on with that. Shouldn't be that big of a deal, but guys, I'm getting rid of everything, like not just the S-Class, but the Cobalt SS I'll get rid of once bodywork and paint is done and I'm satisfied that the car is ready to go. But the S430, this car is ready to go. Absolutely. Cold air conditioning, hot heat, runs and drives great. It is what it is, you know. The Cavalier, definitely going to be getting rid of it. The Cadillac, absolutely going to be getting rid of it. And I think there was one more that I sent down to Weird Beard. I can't remember what it was. Oh, I sent the Cobalt down to him. Yeah, but that one's just getting body work and stuff done. So yeah, we're going to start getting rid of some of these cars that have been sitting around, because I'd like to turn them into cash, and I'd like to see if I can find something a little more interesting, maybe something that I'll have a little bit more fun with. The truth of the matter is, I lost interest, and I think that is because I overwhelmed myself with vehicles. I bought so many cars, and they all need stuff done to them. It just became overwhelming. It was too much to deal with when you realize that you've got like 14 cars and a lot of them need your attention. It was just more than I could deal with. So we're going to move a lot of these cars out, kind of start with a clean slate, and maybe this time I won't get so crazy. Next time I'm going to work harder on buying cars that are better to flip, you know, to get, resell, make some profit on, and I'll also see if I can find something interesting, you know, or fun or unique to bring to the channel as well. So I hope you guys will enjoy some of these future videos we've got coming up, and I'll definitely let you know in the future what a lot of these cars have sold for. We have sold a lot of cars and have not discussed what they sold for, nor what the profit or loss was on them. So that's something we're going to have to get to as well. So stay tuned for that video. I think the Mercedes, for what it is, will be a good car for somebody, guys. I really do. I don't typically recommend buying an S-Class. It's these cars, guys, used, especially with 200,000 miles, it's not something I could recommend to anybody. Like, this thing is like a ticking time bomb. You're just waiting for the next issue to arise out of it. But with that said, this particular one does run and drive and look reasonably well considering the age and especially considering the mileage. That's going to be it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I think realistically, if Weird Beard puts that car up for about $39.99, I think it'll bring 35. I do. I think that car should bring 3,500, and I mean on a bad day, 3,250. 3,250. So if he can sell it for around $4,000, $3,500, he's going to make some money on that. I'm going to make some money. Everybody makes some money, and that's how it's supposed to be. Man, Weird Beard, aka Mike, he's a great dude, and he can sell anything, and he likes to go over everything with a fine-tooth comb, make sure that's why, like with the BMW, I can't send that down there. Man, I wouldn't do that to him, and I wouldn't do that to anybody that's going to buy from him, period. I can't do something like that. He's too good of a dude to be sending junk down there trying to sell it. So, man, with that, if you don't follow Weird Beard on YouTube, go check him out, man. I have a link in the comment section, link in the description to Weird Beard on YouTube. He is an awesome guy. He does tons of car videos, man. His channel needs to grow. You guys need to help pop his channel off because he has been working hard on it. And with that, if you enjoyed this content, give the video a big thumbs up, please. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And one last thing, big shout out to Ridge. My Facebook and Instagram, by the way, is Auto Auction Rebuilds, in case you didn't know. So big shout out to Ridge for sending me this awesome wallet, man. I love doing sponsorships with them. Go check them out, ridge.com/AR. Don't forget, you get 45 days to try it. If you don't like it, send it back, man. Free worldwide shipping, 10% off. What more do you want? Stay safe out there, everybody. I'll catch y'all very soon in the next one.